Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Creative Corner, where we break down powerful tools and the latest in smart tech that actually makes a difference. In today's video, we are diving into a cutting-edge tool called Codespy AI Detector, built to identify AI-generated code within your projects in just seconds. With the rise of AI and coding, it's getting harder to spot what's human written and what's machine generated. That's where CodeSpy comes in. Whether you are a developer, a code reviewer, or working on critical software projects, this tool can help you detect potential bugs and unexpected AI logic before it causes trouble. Stick around us, we walk you through how it works step by step and show you how it can save your time, boost your code quality, and give you full control of your code base. First, we will log in the account to access the dashboard. As soon as you log in, you will see an interface like this. On the left side, you will find the main navigation panel. At the top, there is the dashboard where you get a quick overview of your account activity and scan status. Just below that is the Reports tab. This is where all your scan results are saved, showing the AI detection probably for each files or code snippets you have checked. And finally, there is the project session, which helps you organize your code analysis into separate folders or workspaces. Let's begin. Simply select the programming language of your code, whether it's Java, Python, JavaScript, PHP, C#, or C++. I generated a basic Java code using ChatGPT. Now, I'm going to simply copy that code and paste it into this field to see how the AI detection works. Simply select the programming language of your code, whether it's Java, Python, JavaScript, PHP, C#, or C++. After that, click on the Analyze button and the tool will instantly scan your code to detect AI-generated content. As you can see, it has instantly generated a report and the result shows a 98 out of 100 AI probability, which means the code is mostly AI generated. If you look closely, the tool also highlights specific parts of the code in red. This indicates the exact lines or sections where AI generated content has been detected. It helps you quickly understand which part of your code might need manual review or editing instead of guessing through the entire script. Now let's start one more example. This time I will convert the same code into Python, copy it and paste it here in the input field. Then I will select Python from the language drop down and click on Analyze to see the results. And here the report. The AI detector has scanned the Python code and given it a high AI probability score similarly to the previous one. Just like before, it has marked certain lines in red, showing exactly where it believes the code was likely generated by AI. So that was a quick demo of the Codespy AI Detector, a smart and simple tool to check if your code is AI generated. Whether you are a developer, student, or team leader, this can help you stay in control and maintain clean, review-ready code. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share to the Creative Corner for more powerful tools and tech tips. The download link is in the description below, so be sure to check it out. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.